Hello everyone, welcome to the last part of this command line short course. Since this will be the last lecture of this series, I'm going to show you some extra command line features, how they work, something like moving a file, how you can view or stream a file, how you can remove a file, even deleting a file, and some extra features. Okay, so let's just start my PowerShell here. So PowerShell, excuse me, this is my PowerShell. So I am on my username. Let's open the username here. Okay, I'm here. Now let's check what's in my uh, username as using this. So I have this my folder, as I will be working in the TMP folder, so I need to move to there, right? So cd tmp, let's check what's in tmp. So I have some folder from the previous lecture here. Now very first what we learn is how to move a file using mv feature. Okay, now it's a funny name because what's mv actually do, it's rename a file name. Okay, it's just simply renaming, and I don't know why they put mv for that, right? However, let's learn how to uh, rename a file name using mv. So as you can see, there is a test dot uh, doc folder and doc file, right? So let's move it here, and let's get the file name. So I need to rename it, right, using mv. So write mv, then name of the file test dot uh, d or c s. Now what's the new name will be? Okay, so let's just write uh, rename. Okay, rename dot txt. So if I hit enter, if you notice here, it will be renamed. Just test, hit enter. As you see, it's become a rename.txt folder. The file was doc file, now it's a txt folder. Even the name was changed, right? Now the same way I can rename my folder here, right? So if I write mv and name of my directory garbage, I need to uh, rename as dust bin. Hit enter, and as you can see, it became the dustbin. I can check it here using my list command. See, dustbin rename.txt. So this is actually what a mv command do. It's rename the file name as well as the directory name, right? Now let's move along some things. This is the most exciting thing, right? Now what we learn is how to view a file content, right? How to read what's within a file. So for to understand it, let's create a file in my desktop here first. So let's create sam.txt maybe, and let's put some text here, some gibberish text like maybe this is a demo text file to examine how to view a file using command line. And since I'm in Windows, I need to use the command more. Okay, so some of, if you are in Mac, you need to use less command. Now save it, close it, go back to my editor, and as you can see, my file was in desktop, right? My file is in desktop, and it is has sam.txt. So as I am in TMP, I need to move back first to desktop. So let's go back to desktop. How can I do so? CD. So I am in now Arman. Now let's check what's in Arman. Yeah, there is a desktop. Okay, so I need to move back to desktop. So how can I do so? So CD then desktop. Okay, I am in desktop now. Let's check what's in desktop. So there is desktop folder sound like, yeah, it is our file sam.txt. Now I need to copy this to my tmp folder, right, as I'll be working on the tmp folder. So how can I do so? Just copy it using cp, then name of the file sam on .txt, and then where to move it, tmp folder. Now this is how I will be moving this file to the tmp folder from desktop. You need to use tilde and then forward slash, and what's the folder name, tmp. Hit enter. Now the same text is copied to the tmp folder. Let's check. Now let's go back to tmp folder. Okay, so how can I go? So cd tmp, sorry, excuse me, I need to actually from desktop, so let's check it here. How can I go to desktop from uh, how can I go to a tmp folder, right? So go back to desktop. So yes, uh, excuse me, I need to go back. So let's cd. I'm in Arman. So what's in Arman? Yeah, there is my tmp folder. So I need to move forward to my tmp from here. Okay, I am now in tmp. Let's check what's in tmp. Yeah, this is my folder and this is the sam.txt file. Okay, so let's go back. This is our sam.txt file. Now I want to read what's in it, this sam.txt file. I can do this basically two way. Since I'm on Windows, I'll be sure using more, more. If you are in Mac, you write less, less. Okay, so I need to write more sam.txt. Hit enter. See, the content of this file is here. This is a demo text file to examine how to view a file using command line, more or less. So this is the text here, right? It is being shown in my PowerShell editor. Now, as I saying, if you are in Mac, instead of more, you write less. Then the same thing will happen. And as I was saying, this can be done in two way. There is another command line instead of more. Um, this is called cat. Okay. Now let's check what it has been done. So cat sam.txt. So it do the same thing. It reads the file content in your PowerShell editor. Now there's slight difference between cat and more, and I want you to Google it. What's the basic difference between there? But it's actually do the same thing. If you want to know more about cat, you can write man for manual and then cat, hit enter, and see the PowerShell will show you what actually the cat feature is all about, right? Now we have already learned two features, like how to move a file or renaming a file, and then how to view a file content using more and cat feature, right? Now let's learn another thing, how to remove an entire file or entire directory using rm. If you learn, memorize this thing from my first part. So what's in my tmp folder? I have some rename.txt, some sam.txt, So let's delete or remove this rename.txt file using rm, then rm for remove, then rename.txt, this is the file name, and hit enter. The file name is gone from there, right? Now let's check first in tmp. So see, there is no rename.txt file, though it was here in the first place. Now another thing, important thing of rm is, let's check whether any file in dustbin. Yes, there is a file in dustbin. Now if the situation is like this, you need to uh, delete the file name file of a folder, not the folder itself. Okay, all you need to do, just delete the content of the folder. In my case, this is a folder dustbin, and within this dustbin there is a copy of test file. So I need to delete this copy of test.pdf file from this dustbin without deleting the dustbin folder. How we can do this? Let's check it. So rm, now name of the folder is dustbin. So dustbin, dustbin, then / the name of the file. So copy of test.pdf. Hit enter. See, the file name is gone, though the dustbin folder is also available, only the file is gone. So this another case. And now let's run how to delete the entire directory along with its content. So there's also, let's create another file here to test this. Let's example. So in my case, now I need to delete the entire dustbin folder along with this file. Okay, so how we can do this? It's quite easy. So just write rm space dash r. Okay, that's all we need to. Rm dash r, then name of the folder. Name of the folder is dustbin. So dustbin, dustbin. Hit enter. See, the dustbin is gone along with its file name. Okay, so this is important features of removing a file or rm. Now we'll learn another feature people sometimes call it wildcard matching. What's actually saying, to test this I need to make several file here. So let's write same.txt and anna.txt, and let's run test another folder. So pdf, yeah, right. Now let's check what's in my tmp folder. So there is, as you see, there's a folder named parent to txt file, anna.txt, same.txt, and test.pdf. Now what's wildcard matching is do, it's actually rearrange things as per your desired category. So I want to show only the text file. How many text file or what are the text file within this directory tmp? To check this, all you need to do is write at ls, then this asterisk, okay, then hit, sorry, no space, then the extension of the file name, okay, storage.txt, hit enter. See, it lists down only the text file among the 4 files. Okay, that's what the asterisk do. Now asterisk.txt is simply saying anything ending with .txt, right? Now I can do many things using this thing. Here I just show you, list down. I can delete even those things like just rm, then asterisk dot txt, that will delete the entire text file. Hit enter. See, there is no text file, right? Now that's all actually for today, and hope you enjoy this short series on command line. And as I was saying, this course is prepared only as a supplementary course for my upcoming comprehensive MySQL course, and in that course I will be using cloud-based IDE where I need to use command line. And first so I created this short series for people those who don't know about command line, right? So if you like this course, please do subscribe my channel, and I promise some more exciting things will be added to my channel. Thanks you everybody again.